go at making a card using clip art. So I've opened up Word, I'm going to page layout, and I'm going to make my margins narrow. There we are. And then I'm going to insert some clip art. So I've already typed in Lambretta for my brother's birthday card. So let's see what it comes up with. And I'm going to choose this one. Now I want to make this a folded A5 card. Sorry, A6 card, beg your pardon. So this needs to be smaller. So with it selected, I can change my width to 10 centimeters. There we are. And I can change text wrapping to square, which means I can move my image around. And I'm going to put it down in the bottom there. Now if you imagine this card's going to be folded in half across the middle and then that way. So my greeting needs to be in this corner and it needs to be upside down. So I'm going to insert some word art and I should do it on a slight curve. So there. And let's edit the text. So I don't want Arial, I want one of the other fonts. Look through. I've got like that. Let's go with that. And I'm going to have no fill in it and change the outline to a dark grey to go with the picture of the scooter. Now that's a bit on the small side, so let's edit the text and change the size of it. I'll try 48. Look, it's probably a bit too big. Edit again and make it 44. Okay. And then put that as square text wrapping, and then I can move it down to here. And as I already said, I need it upside down, so rotate it twice, and there we are. And that's ready to print.